Hello my dear friends and new guests of my channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I went outside today and there is a thuja tree next to me, as you can see. I see a lot of this tree planted around our house, because it is a tree that is very useful and produces plenty of oxygen. Today I will prepare a tincture from the thuja tree, as it is very beneficial for our health. The thuja tree produces plenty of oxygen and also contains a very high level of antioxidants. It is very effective in cell regeneration. Let's pluck one small branch and move on to preparing our tincture. The scent is very nice. If you find the wild thuja tree, of course, you will get better results. There are also decorative planted ones. Let's go to prepare our tincture. Today, we will prepare tincture for hair from the thuja tree that we plucked from its branch. Let's cut it into a pot and add the thuja tree. Let's wash the branches well first. Add 500 milliliters of water to it. Put it on the stove and wait for it to boil. After boiling, cover the lid and boil for 20 minutes on very low heat. After boiling for 20 minutes, turn off the stove and let it brew with the lid closed. You will not believe the beneficial results of the thuja tree, and you will be surprised, friends. Today's tincture is for hair. If your hair is graying, it is a very wonderful cure that will allow it to return to its own color. It is a tincture that we have achieved great results and tried many times, friends. You will get very good results. If your hair is white, whether you are young or old, this tincture will help restore it to its former color. Anyone can use it, regardless of hair color, blonde, black or white. It allows the hair to return to its natural color as soon as possible. Thuja tree is very good for rheumatism, calcification in the spine, joint pain, hemorrhoids and many other ailments. I will share with you my recipes that are good for these ailments in the next videos. Apply it to the roots of the hair and allow it to penetrate well. After applying it well, massage for 10 minutes for blood acceleration to occur. The thuja tree also has antibacterial properties and helps to get rid of dandruff in the hair. The thuja tree regenerates the cells in the hair follicles, allowing new hair to grow and become thicker. After massaging your hair, put on the hair cap and leave it for another 10 minutes. Your hair will be nourished until you take a bath. Wash your hair with plain water. You don't need to add shampoo or conditioner to your hair. Our thuja tincture already acts as a shampoo. Let's wet our hair with our thuja tincture and do our massage. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then wash and dry our hair. This tincture we make is one time only, friends. I wish you happiness, health and love. See you in my new videos. Goodbye.